Hey, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. We're going to go ahead and do our parallel parking tutorial, reverse parallel parking. So I'm going to pull up next to this vehicle. And I have my four ways on because I'm doing parking maneuvers. I'm letting the car roll back. I'm doing in-car video so you'll be able to see. So I'm looking to my right, and then I turn hand over hand all the way to the right to the rear of the tires go in, and then I'm turning back hand over hand over hand, and I'm going in nice and slow, and I'm taking my time. I'm checking my areas, and I'm going in slow. You can see me lining up my vehicle, and that is a perfect parallel park. And then what you would do is honk your horn, and then this will let the road tester, DMV instructor know that you're parallel parking. So let's review. How did I do this? What did I do? How did I turn my wheel? So first I'm gonna go ahead and pull out again. I have my four ways on, and then I'm looking over my shoulder. I'm barely tapping the gas. And then I come back hand over hand to the right. I wanna line myself up parallel with this car, and I straighten up. I don't need any gas, and I'm looking over my shoulder. I'm letting it roll back. When I get halfway past the vehicle, I turn my wheel all the way to the right at a 45 angle. And I'm looking. When I'm halfway past, then I turn back hand over hand to the left. Foot is on the brake. You want to be about 1 foot from the curb. I'm looking, I'm checking, I'm going in slow. That is a beautiful parallel park. So those of you who say, well, you know, it was lucky you did it the first time. No, it's consistency. Let's work on the skill set again. I'm gonna look over my shoulder, see me looking, and I'm gently on the gas, not pressing it hard. Again, this is reverse parallel parking. I'm pulling up next to the vehicle. You see me turning hand over hand, and I turn back hand over hand. I put it in reverse. I roll straight back, halfway past this vehicle. I turn my wheels all the way to the right till they lock. 45 angle. I'm halfway past the vehicle. I turn back hand over hand to the left till the wheels lock. I'm going slow and easy. I'm taking my time. I'm looking over my shoulder. That is a perfect parallel park. That is a reverse parallel park. Let's review. I need you to subscribe to my channel. I do driver's ed tutorials. I'm a certified instructor. I teach in North America. I do driver's education. Been teaching 21 years. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to learn how to drive, and I do tutorials on all things driving, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate you. Have a blessed day.